New paragraph. 2020, August 15th, 22:59. New paragraph. Or are we talking about one book specific to the Battlestar Galactica and the Memento Mori ceremony of, as it was changed from the Vatican to the Capitoline Hill to the Trader's Post, the Umbilicus of Rome. That's A. To B, it was changed from the Colosseum through the Archititus to the Umbilicus. Period. New paragraph. Bringing up the whole Mormon thing makes things very, very complicated and very, very, very difficult to deal with. Period. New paragraph. It's difficult to deal with in part because of the huge amount of detail involved when you do bring in the Mormons are the ones who paid for the Battlestar Galactica TV show to be produced. Period. And the Mormons cascade into an entire huge amount of layered, complicated, and detailed information. Period. New line. I mean, there are this subject alone is fairly simple and fairly mostly no big deal, because new paragraph. All you're really dealing with is the ship, comma, and the main characters as they relate to the subject matter. Period. New paragraph. That's not that bad. New paragraph. But when you bridge the gap into Rome, when you bridge the gap into the pyramids, things get a little bit complicated. New paragraph. But when you go to the Mormon thing, then you go to the Joseph Smith thing, and you go to Oliver Cowdery thing, and the Wilhelm Wundt thing, and the Tiffin, Ohio thing, and the Fort Ball thing, comma, and the Prussians thing, and the Nazi thing, and the Wannsee Conference thing, and the genocide thing. And the other details involved, which just becomes more and more and more and more elaborate thing. Period. New paragraph. Because that smashes into the Nazi Bell thing, which smashes into the Hedy Lamarr thing, and the Versailles thing, and the City of Pillars thing, comma, new paragraph. I mean, we're dealing with some radically complicated subjects here. New paragraph. I mean, radically complicated stuff here. So then it breaks into even more complicated subjects. Because then you have is book one about that story sequence that I'm only partially through with? Does new paragraph. Does book 2 deal with the Starship Enterprise and the series and the movies and their those interactions within the structure and framework of